We're investigating
Boracay, Philippines. Boracay is one of the most visited islands in the Philippines. With its powdery white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise water, and its breathtaking sunset, it's easy to see why travelers from around the world keep coming back. This trip felt extra special for me because I traveled there with mom. We spent an unforgettable few days together, exploring the island, making memories, and just soaking up the tropical paradise vibe side by side. If you're planning to visit Boracay and have the best trip ever, then hit the subscribe button because this video is for you. But how do we get there? If you are in Manila, you can easily book a domestic flight from there with your preferred airline. We chose Cebu Pacific Airline and the ticket cost was 4,300 pesos per person for a round trip, which is definitely worth it for such an amazing destination. Once we arrived in Boracay, we had to pay some mandatory fees before entering the island. This is required for all visitors to help maintain the island's cleanliness and facilities.
I'm going to pay for the environmental fee, boat ticket fee, and the terminal fee. So that's why we need to fall in line and pay for that.
If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, I've got you covered with some of the best activities you can do in Boracay. Stick around until the end because this video will take you to some of Boracay's best holiday experience. One of the fun things that you can do in Boracay is their famous hair braids. The price can vary depending on the style and the length of your hair. The best part is, if the braids get wobbly, they offer free retouches so they stay perfect throughout your trip. The braids are lightweight, comfortable, and can last for days, making them ideal for walking along the beach, taking photos, or just enjoying the island vibes. Island hopping is definitely a must-try if you want to see the different sides of Boracay. We booked our tour through Klook for around 1,500 pesos per person, which already included a seafood meal, making it a great value for the experience. We visited Iligan Beach, a quieter and more relaxing spot, then headed to the Coral Garden area where I enjoyed snorkeling and saw plenty of marine life. We also explored Crystal Cove, which was definitely one of the highlights. The island is known for its stunning rock formations, scenic viewpoints, and hidden cave that you can actually go inside. Walking around there felt like a mini adventure with paths leading to breathtaking ocean views and photo spots at every turn. Another thrilling adventure that you can do is the ATV adventure at Boracay New Coast. We booked this on Klook for around 1,470 pesos per person and it was totally worth it. They even picked us up from our hotel, which made everything super convenient. When we arrived, we were welcomed by two really friendly guides, one who helped my mom drive the ATV while the other took amazing photos of us. As we rode through the trails, we stopped at some really beautiful spots perfect for photos. And when we reached at a beach stop, I grabbed a fresh coconut from a local seller, which was so refreshing.
Buko sa Boracay! Buko! Buko na dyan! 200 pesos! May buko ka na! 200 pesos! May buko ka na! Woo!
We also visited their famous keyhole rock formation and took some lovely photos there. Just a quick tip though, the photos taken by the guide are not free, so make sure to ask for the price beforehand. In our case, we paid 3,000 pesos, which included the soft copies plus 15 printed photos delivered straight to our hotel. We also went on a rhythm sunset boat, which we also booked on Klook. This join-in boat cost around 1,063 pesos per person, which is honestly such a great value for everything you get, from the entertainment to the views and overall experience. You'll get to meet new people, and my mom has absolutely loved it. She was dancing and making new friends on the boat the whole time. There were also live tribal drummers on board, which made the atmosphere so lively, and we even had the chance to try the drums ourselves, which was such a fun and unique experience. While there were activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming available, I personally chose to just chill and not get wet. And honestly, I still had the best time. I especially loved longing on the swing-style net at the side of the boat where you can just lie down and relax while looking out at the ocean. We also enjoyed some pika-pika and refreshing cocktails as we cruised along. And the sunset was just absolutely stunning. Definitely one of those moments you won't forget. One of the highlights of our Boracay trip was finally trying parasailing together. We booked the activity face-to-face when we arrived, just by walking along the beach where there are tons of stations offering different water adventures. It turned out to be much cheaper than booking online. We paid around 1,800 pesos per person plus 400 pesos extra for the 360 camera, which was totally worth it for the memories. At first, both my mom and I were very nervous since it was our first time. You can probably see it in our faces before takeoff, but the moment we were up in the air, everything has changed. It wasn't scary at all. It was actually so peaceful and relaxing.
Ma'am Tel.
One more!
Seeing Boracay from above was just breathtaking. The crystal clear water, the white sand, everything looked even more beautiful from the sky. And the best part? Seeing how happy my mom was the whole time. Helmet diving with mom was one of the experiences in Boracay that almost didn't happen for us. I read online that senior citizens usually aren't allowed to join this activity, so I was a bit worried that my mom wouldn't be able to experience it with me. But luckily, when we got there, we found a company offering helmet diving even for senior citizens, as long as they're healthy and able to sign a waiver confirming they don't have high blood pressure, maintenance medications, or any medical conditions that could put them at risk. Good thing my mom is healthy, so she was cleared to join me. We paid around 1,200 pesos per person, and the activity lasted about 15 minutes. Photos and videos were already included in the price. Before going underwater, the instructors taught us how to equalize the pressure in our ears and showed us simple hand signals so we could communicate while underwater. Being surrounded by colorful fish was such a magical experience, and I even got the chance to feed them. We decided to do a DIY land tour, chasing spots we've only seen online and turning them into reality. No strict itinerary, no tour guide, no rushing, just us exploring Boracay at our own pace. And honestly, this ended up being one of our favorite days. First up, a beach sidewalk near Lumbers Point, and wow, the stunning background there was absolutely beautiful.
This is my mom's first holiday ever in her life.
Yeah,
And she's so happy.
I'm so happy.
Happy.
Love you, Ma.
Then, of course, we had to visit Willis Rock Formation as it's one of the most famous landmarks in Boracay. And then, we went hunting for that famous leaning coconut tree at Bulabog Beach. And not gonna lie, this was my moment. I felt like a Tanduay model with that iconic backdrop. We also visited Lugutan Mangrove Park, but it was quite windy that day, so we didn't stay long. Even so, it was nice to see this peaceful, green side of Boracay. And then, Buka Beach, probably one of the most relaxing spots we visited. Fewer crowds, clearer water, and little shops where you can buy souvenirs. Perfect if you want to take a piece of Boracay home with you.
I don't like it.
After all the exploring, we didn't plan anything else. We just went back to the main station beach, sat by the shore, and let the day slow down. Sunset Parasailing is one of Boracay's most iconic and serene experiences. It's essentially sailing on a traditional Filipino sailboat called Paraw. We booked it for 3,313 pesos, and we also rented a 360 camera for 438 pesos. The combination of the gentle breeze, the rhythmic movement of the boat, and the vibrant sunset colors creates a peaceful atmosphere. Since we already availed the parasailing activity, we got one free paddleboard for 1 hour, and it turned out to be the most picture-perfect moment on the water. I absolutely loved the feeling of gliding across the calm water with the sunset painting the sky in warm shade of orange. My mom and I had such a peaceful time, and the stunning sunset made it perfect for a bonding moment. If you are planning to try paddleboarding, you can book it in advance on Klook, but honestly, it's better to book it face-to-face on the beach. It's usually much cheaper and you can just walk up and grab a board at your preferred time. Fire dance show was one of the most entertaining nights we had in Boracay at Red Coconut Restaurant. The best part? It's completely free. You just have to be there around 9 p.m. and order at least some food or drinks. The whole performance was so cool, but what really stood out was when the dancers blew fire out from their mouths. What made it even more special for me was that at the end of the show, I actually got to try holding the fire prop with the dancer and their guide for a few seconds. Such a fun and nerve-wracking experience.
We're going for massage. Time to relax and just enjoy the time of relaxing.
After all the activities and adventures, we treated ourselves to a relaxing full body massage at Footzeez. It was only 750 pesos per person, which made it even better, and it was exactly what we needed. The massage was so soothing and refreshing, especially after days of exploring. Most importantly, my mom truly deserved it all. She has been such a loving and caring mom, and being able to share these experiences with her means everything to me. On my next video, I'll be sharing all the food we tried, so when you visit Boracay, you'll know exactly what to taste. Make sure to subscribe and follow along for more wonderful journeys with Investigael.